Jack here, and tucked away in this little corner is my DKE desktop computer power switch with 2-meter cable. This is a power switch relocator, and if you're like me, you've got a desktop computer off and underneath your desk or off to the side, and you want to make that power switch nice and accessible. So that's why I got this one here. It is 2 meters long, so there's plenty of length on the cable. My favorite thing is the bottom of the switch is magnetic. So I've got this removable tray, and I've got it just stuck magnetized right here next to the tray. This is the keyboard for that computer anyway. So if I need to access and turn on the computer, all I do is go here, hold down the key. I love that the switch lights up so I know when it's on, when it's working. So happy with that. Powers up right away. I can pull out the tray here, turn on my monitor, and I am good to go. This is the white version. It does come with a black version. I imagine the black version won't light up as much. You can see the body's kind of glowing here. I don't mind that. I think the white is nice. If it was black, it'd be a little bit harder to see with all the rest of the black hardware here, but maybe you'd like it out of the way. Now, it does include all the cabling that you need to connect it to your motherboard, but you do want to make sure that your motherboard supports a power cable, a power switch such as this. So just double check with your manual or your motherboard documents, whatever you need to do to make sure that this power switch will work with your motherboard. Now, in case you're wondering, the keycap is removable and you can replace it with your own keycap. So if you're looking for some customization with this switch, that's a really nice feature. All in all, I'm happy with it. And if you're considering buying this switch, hopefully this video helped inform your purchase decision. Thanks for watching.